Out the dome, out the dome, out the dome, out the dome. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B. We back in this mode with another video. Now I know what you're thinking. Should you buy the Xbox Series S? Is the Xbox Series S better than the Xbox Series X? I'm gonna answer those questions for you guys in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe. We all know the Xbox Series S, or if you don't know and you've been underneath a rock, the Xbox Series S 1 TB just released. Dope console, comes with the 1 terabyte. Honestly, the Xbox Series S is I want to say it's the king of the next gen console, because you get the graphics while also simultaneously getting your money worth on a budget console. You're not spending or forking out $450, $500 for a console to play on the next gen, man. Because like I said in my previous videos, we all know that the current gen is coming to an end. It's coming to the end. A lot of developers are working on the next gen. They're working on new technologies, new game implementations to implement into the game, to optimize for the next gen console. As I mentioned earlier, the new Xbox Series S does come with the 1 TB, which is essential and critical. It's critical. Like, I downloaded 3 games on the original Xbox Series S, the white version, and I only had like 5 gigs left. That was it. I downloaded Madden 23. I had Call of Duty installed, and I had, I believe, NBA 2K, if I'm not mistaken. 3 games installed on the Xbox Series S, the 500 gigabytes, and literally only had 5 gigs left, man. So getting that 1 TB of the Xbox Series S is crucial, unless you're gonna fork out an extra $150 or $100, depending on which memories you get for an expansion card for your Xbox Series S. I highly recommend that you guys do get the black edition of the Xbox Series S. Even if you're not a gamer, if you're just a gamer, I still highly recommend that you get the black version of the Xbox Series S, due to the additional storage you get with the Xbox, man. It's crucial. It might not seem like a big deal now, but later on down the road, it's definitely gonna become a huge problem, especially when you start buying these games. You can play cloud games and stuff like that, but you still might end up buying the game on the market. Also, fun fact, man, Xbox, or I should say Microsoft, sold approximately 1.89 million units according to Google here, man. That's a lot of Xboxes. Now, I know they probably didn't sell more than PlayStation. We all know PlayStation's like that. It's like that hype beast console, man. You know what I'm saying? You get it, put your hands on, you fall in love with it. But I love Xbox too. Comment down below, are you team Xbox or team PlayStation? I know y'all probably team Xbox. You watching this video, you gotta be team Xbox, unless you're just looking for a second console for the give to your kids or something like that. Now, I will say this, I did not feel or see a difference in any type of gameplay or the navigation on the menu. I know Xbox did update their dashboard, which I do like. Shout out to Microsoft for updating the dashboard. It's dope. It's still, you still got your boxes and stuff like that, but they got the little tab system up top, which I thought was pretty cool implementation, so you can quickly navigate throughout your dashboard. But anyways, the Xbox Series S 1 TB compared to the Xbox Series S 500 gigabytes really wasn't no difference in speed or anything like that. Like I said, man, the major difference is really just come down to the actual internal storage. You can purchase an expansion card if you already own the white Xbox and that's something you want to do. I recommend that as well if you already own it. But if you don't own it and you're like brand new, still trying to decide should you get the X or the S, or you got the X money but don't want to spend the X money and rather get the S, get the 1 TB. It just makes sense. And I'm pretty sure that they will be discounting the white version as well, especially due to the upcoming holiday. We got Black Friday coming up a month and a half from now. So, and then we got December, so Christmas. So they will be discounting these Xbox Series S's, man, especially that white version. I don't think they're going to discount the black edition. They might come out with some different bundles or something like that. But I know for sure they're gonna mark down the white version of the Xbox Series S. So you probably can cop it for a much cheaper price than what it is now. I believe it's still currently retailing for $299, while the black edition is $349.99 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, man, I will opt for the black TB if you can get it for a lower cost if you was to get the white version with a if you can get it for the white version with the external storage, if that makes sense. I hope I ain't confused. Let me rephrase that. I would get the black Xbox Series S 1 TB over the white Xbox Series S 500 gigabytes with an external storage, if that external storage price along with the white Xbox overrides the black. Unless you just want the black console, then, you know what I'm saying, going each his own. I think the black looks a whole lot cooler to me. Me personally, I love the all black theme. My whole desk setup is all black. I love it. But anyways, man, that's what I would do. But like I said, man, they should be discounting that white Xbox. So if you can cop it for a lower price and then get an external storage for it, expansion card, I should say, then get that. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it all come down to the storage space. Like I said, there's no really performance difference in either of the consoles. I've owned both. There's no performance difference. They both perform smoothly. You still get that upscale to 4K on certain titles that's optimized to do that. But all in all, I would recommend that you get the black TB if you don't have a console at all and you want to get into the next gen gaming consoles, man. Because I done some research and Google said it as well. The next gen consoles of the next gen isn't really going to come out until 2028, and we are in 2023, towards the end of 2023. So we still got roughly 4 more years until we see a whole new console upgrade. Now they might do like some small increment upgrades within the next year or so, but like a whole new next generation, we ain't gonna see that until 2028. So if you don't have your hands on an Xbox Series S or PlayStation 5 or the Xbox Series X, highly recommend you guys get one, man, especially if you're into the gaming market looking for that next gen experience. Also, comment down below if you guys are interested in seeing like my budget gaming Xbox Series S Black Edition 1 TB Xbox desk setup. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see that, and I can make that video for you guys, man, showing you guys which monitor I'm using and the desk I'm using, all that stuff like that, man. So y'all comment down below if y'all wanted like a desk setup of the Xbox Series S 1 TB, and I got y'all. But anyways, man, appreciate the love and support, man. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button for me. Subscribe, click the bell, like, content notification on so you don't miss no bangers, man. And speaking of bangers, be sure to check out one of the videos at the end of the stream, because it's definitely a banger. I would miss it if I was you, man.